method behavior. Okay. Now, four methods we discussed here. Next here, you need to remember D or D2, for example, D2. So the equal to 10. So now this is empty dictionary. In this dictionary, if key 1 is available, its value is updating with the 10. If not available, then key value format we are adding. Okay, this dictionary is adding. So into D2, key value is getting. Okay. So right now, key 1 is available, then its value updating here. D2 is updating. Okay. So empty dictionary after creating like this key column key value format, we can add the values. Key value format, we can add the values and number, whatever we want. Okay. And D3 equal to using empty curly brace also dictionary we are creating. D3 of 2, D3 of 2 equal to 20. So here also we are adding. Okay. Okay, no problem. Next D4 equal to directly curly brace format we can create. So these all things, all the students able to give properly, no problem. Now, question is using the dict casting function, how to creating key values. Okay, empty dictionary I created here above, not created above. Okay, here. So using the curly brace empty dictionary I created, later key values I added. Same like here also, using the dict casting function, empty dictionary I created. So now here 1 equal to 10. We can create no problem. Okay. Now my intention here like this key column value format using the dict casting how we are creating. So that is expecting some people in introduce. A lot of students are getting confusing here. So D6 equal to dictionary of now here inside this list format, inside that tuple format. Okay, in every tuple key comma value format we can write and now you can see here D6. See list of tuples. This is the list of tuples where each tuple contains a key comma value format. Then first value is like a key, second value is like a value format is creating dictionary. So this one, remember, in material, these all points available using a dict casting function, how to creating, using curly braces, how to creating, like all the things. Okay, now here this EMP is there, or D is there, like this object there. So one particular key is available or not in this dictionary, how to know? Means using membership operator, Okay, if one in D, then if one in D, okay, then yes available, like we can write. Otherwise, simply we can write one in D true. So key one is available. Okay, so given value is like a key considering not like a value. Based on the key, we can find out the value. Okay, so using the membership operator, we can find out this point. Remember, now here D1 equal to 1 column 10, 2 column 20, 3 column 30 is there, and D2 equal to 4 column or else 2 column 200, 3 column 300, 4 column 40, 5 column 50 there. Okay, so two dictionaries there, how we are merging. Okay, so D1 dot update method is there. D1 dot update of n number of D2s n number of dictionaries. Simply D1 dot update of D2 like we are using. Update method is there. So now I'm going to assign to one D3 also result. You can check it. In D3, so none value is getting means not assigning to the D3. After executing, nothing assigning to here. So that's why none assigning. And now here in D1, we have these all values. And next in D2, we have these all values. These all key and values are going to merge into this D1 only. Finally, in D2 also no changes. Original object as it is there. But in the D1, merging values getting, updated values getting, updated values. Previously here 2 column 20 is there. Now 2 column 200. 3 column 30 is there. 3 column 300. Like it. Okay. So now you can see here. This is the dictionary object. So here 1 column 10. 1 column. You can check it here. First 1 column 10. Next 2 column 20. Next 3 column 30 is there. Okay, and after that this D2 is using update method trying to add into D1. Update method behavior is each key value reading from D2 and merging into D1, updating into D1. So now in the D2, 2 column 200 is there. So 2 key already available. This value is updating with the 200. Next 3 column 300. So 3 key also available. So value is updating. And next 4 column 40. So fourth key is not available. That's why here the 40. Next 5 also not available. 50 display. Okay. So finally these values are getting. See here. 1 column 10, 2 column 200, 3 column 300, 4 column 40, 5 column 50. Understanding? So using update method in this first object only final changes will come. Okay. So here D2 comma D3 comma D4 comma D5 comma like n number of dictionary objects we can use here. So each dictionary object related key values merging into D1. Okay. So finally in the D1, all these dictionary related key value pairs with the latest values available. Clear this one? Okay. Now again comes to here. This is my D1. This is my D2. Okay. So dictionary 1, dictionary 2 is there. So I don't want to be disturb this D1 and D2. I want the result in a D3. Okay. So here using update method in D1 only changing. But D1 elements I don't want to change it. D2 elements I don't want to change it. D1 and D2 related all key values I want to assign to a D3. Nothing but a new object. Okay. So in that situation, D3 equal to so D1 or D2. Okay, like we can use D1 or D2. Okay, this is the union related. In D1, no changes. In the D2, no changes. In D3, final result coming. All of you understanding this one? Union related. Now, one more variation is there. So the people who are using Python version 3.9 or above, 3.9 or above, Python version 3.9 or above, this symbol you are able to use. The people who are using Python version 3.9, less version, simply 3.8 or 3.7 like that, those people are unable to use this one. Then those people how to add this two objects result into D3. So another variation. So D1, D2 is there. Now you can check it D4. D4. So this is what we are calling dictionary. So here star D1, comma star D2, like we can use. So now here D1 no changes, D2 no changes, and D4 final result we are getting. Okay. Star star double star representing keyword arguments. Keyword arguments. See, first of all, here what is the curly brace there outside? Curly braces are representing one dictionary object. These curly braces I'm talking. Okay. Curly braces are representing one dictionary object. This dictionary object referencing by D4. This dictionary object is referencing by D4. Okay. Now in this memory, so here star star D1 is there. Star D1 means a keyword argument. In this dictionary one, D1 nothing but dictionary one. In this dictionary one, all key values accessing and adding to here. So right now, first key value, what is that? 1 column 10 is there. 1 column 10. Second one, 2 column 20. Third one, 3 column 30. Okay. So like from this dictionary one, all key values accessing and assigning to D4. Next, after completing this, coming to here, from the dictionary 2, all key values accessing and trying to merge into this D4 only. So here, already key 2 is available. So values only updating values. And now here, 300, 300. And the next, this fourth one is a new key. Fourth one is a new key. So 440 and the 5 column 50. Okay, like that. Then finally, this result assigning to the D4 right now, and using D4, we are getting this result. Understanding? Using double star representing keyword arguments, key column value format, key and value format related data, accessing, assigning to here. So this is working in all versions, and the people who are using Python 3.9 or above version, then this OR operator also, union operator also, we can use it. So compared to this, union operator symbol is more easy. So merging related two dictionary objects without disturbing and the new changes assigning to a new object. Creating a new object purpose, we can use this double star syntax and union operator syntax. So these are all available in the material, don't worry. Now here, next D contains these values. D dot pop method is there. D dot pop. Okay. So here pop up key and it returns value. Remove the specified key and return the corresponding value. So you can give one key here. For example, 2 I'm using. Okay, this is a dictionary. In this dictionary, pop method taking this key as an input and remove this key value, only value written as output. Value written as output. Okay, value returned. So in this dictionary, both the key value deleting, but returned only value. So if you want to store this value in a variable, you can write like this: x equal to d dot pop up 2, then this 2 key related value storing into x. So this is the pop method behavior. Pop method behavior. If the given key is not available, this key is not available right now, then it is going to return key error. Key error returned. Okay. Okay. Now here pop item method is there. So you can see here it is not going to take any inputs. It remove and return a key value pair. Remove and return a key value pair as a tuple. Okay. Now here we are not giving any key. So from this dictionary, one key and value removing and displaying also like a tuple format, a key comma value format. See here, this 4 column 40 deleted tuple format. Okay, tuple format key comma value format returning. And now here they all available. Okay, and one more key value deleting. So only one is there. One more time deleting. Now empty dictionary there. On empty dictionary, if we are using again pop item method, pop item method, every time one key value pair, taking one key and deleting that key and value both. Okay. So right now no keys there in the dictionary. Then it is going to return key error. Pop item dictionary is empty. Pop item method dictionary is empty. So simply here meaning is on the empty dictionaries, pop item method is not working. So pop item method based on the keys trying to deleting. If no keys there, not possible to deleting. Okay. So here, what is the difference between pop and pop item method? Question is important. What is the difference between pop and pop item method? There is one pop and pop item method. In dictionary, how we are deleting the values, how we are deleting the key values means by using pop method or else pop item method. Pop item method, if we are using, so which key and values deleting that information not in our hand, randomly deleting. Generally, it looks like last key value pair deleting. Okay. So using pop method, we are giving a key as input and that key related value only deleting. That key and value only deleting. Okay. Okay. So far here, values method we discussed, keys method and items method and pop method, pop item method. So before that, getting related, get method. Okay, we discussed. So in these all situations, the dictionary object is required. Dictionary object is simply. So that's why dict like I'm using. And next copy method is there. We will discuss text dot so clear method. First we can see this. D1 contains these key values. D1 dot clear method. So deleting all key and values. Empty dictionary is maintaining. So the dictionaries are mutable objects. That's why all key values deleting. Entire object only, entire object also if you want to delete, so del keyword we can use. Okay. So this is a clear method for deleting purpose. And using a del keyword also we can delete using del keyword, particular indexing based key based we can deleting, or else entire object we can deleting. Okay. So this one in the set concept, in the list concept we discussed the same behavior here also working. So you can see here D1 equal to 1 column, 3 column 30 there, D1 related, 3 key and values. Now D2 equal to D1. So this is called assignment operator. This is called assignment operator. So assignment means same memory is creating or different memory creating, let me know. Same or different for the assignment behavior. Mohan, you said different memory. Mohan said different memory. And Janaki also giving different memory. So that's why I'm asking. Here, multiple people there, different people thinking like different ways. So in the list topic, I explained. In the set topic, last session only I explained. And now this is the dictionary topic. So whenever we are assigning one object to another variable, that variable is also acting like object right now. So when we are using assignment, then same memory is creating. Same memory creating, remember, at least right now, same memory creating. Okay. So in both memories, values are same there, object also same only there. You can see here, practically you can check it every point related. So now here D1 I assigned to D2. So in the D1, there is a 3 key values there. In the D2 also, there is a 3 key values only there. Memory, you can check it. ID of D1, ID of D2. So both memories same or not? Yes, both are same. Both are same memory. Understanding? Yes. Multiple people given different also. So those people focus on this one. So both IDs are same only. See here in one memory there. So this is now referencing to D1. And because of this assignment, so D2 also holding the same memory. Okay. So same key values only there. There is key values only there in the both places. Using one object reference, if we are doing any changes here, using another object reference, using another reference, okay, using this D1 reference, if doing any changes, using D2, we can get that changes also. Okay. So you can see here D1 of T1 value updating with 100. Now in the D1 here, 100 value I'm getting. So now if I'm printing D2, so here 10 value getting or 100 getting, that is you need to be focusing. So 100 only getting. Why means? So using D1, if you are doing change here, so that is using D2 also we can get it. Why means both are sharing the same reference, same memory, same memory. And now here copy method related. So when we are working with the copy method here, for example, object 2 equal to object 1 dot copy. From this object 1, copy method is copying only values, not memory. Only values copying and assigning to new variable. It means here new object is creating. New object creating. So this is also you can test practically. Now D1 contains these values. D3 equal to D1 dot copy method. So now here D1, D3 looks like same values, but IDs you can check it. ID of D3. So both are different memories. In one memory, if we are doing any changes, again I'm changing to 10. So now here 10 value getting. So if I'm printing D3, if I'm printing D3, so 100 only we are getting. 100 only we are getting. Okay. So this is a shallow copy. When we are using this shallow copy, only values which are available in that memory, only values copying and assigning to a new object. Using those values, creating a new object. So for list topic, for set topic, now for dictionary also same rules I explained. So do practice one topic if you are understanding for all same logics only. Next, some more methods there. See what are available in D1 dot. So clear method we discussed, copy method, okay. From keys I will explain. Get method, items, keys, pop item, completing the all. Set default I will explain, okay. And update method, values method, yes, completing. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So here also 11 methods there. In list also 11 methods there. In the dictionary also 11 methods there. Okay. So out of 11, now right now 9 methods we completed. From keys and set default there. Very rarely we are using. Very rarely we are using. So okay, how using? I will show you that. In the D1 we have these key values. So D1 dot set default of now here. So key comma default none is there. It insert a key with a value of default. It insert a key with a value of default. If the key is not in the dictionary, if the key is not in the dictionary. So it means, for example, 1, 2, 3 key is there. So I'm using 4, 40, 4, 40. So it inserts this one as a key, set default method, this 4 as a key, this 40 as a value, inserting into dictionary, just like it's creating. And after inserting and this key related value, what is there now? 40. This 40 again accessing and return also, creating and accessing. See here. So now in the D1 you can see. So 4 column 40 added, 4 column 40 key column value format added, and based on this key accessing this key related value and return. Okay. If the key value not available, this key if not available, this is like a key and it is like a value adding, and based on this key accessing. Okay, next here I'm going to use 3, 300. 3, 300. Okay. Now this set default method is searching for this key in this dictionary available or not. If available, its value accessing, its value what is there? 30. This 30 value returning as a output. 30 returned as a output. This is not considering. If this key already not available, this is like a key, it is like a value creating, and this key related value accessing. Okay. So, but here it is not updating here. This is not going to be updating. Okay. Now see here only 30, we got it. That is the set default method behavior. All of you clear? Okay. Last method for this. Okay. I forgot about the time. 9:20 it's already. Last method. From keys method. So actually these methods, even though you're not learning also no problem. So remaining these all methods enough. And now here D1 contains these things, or else a new object you can take it. D3 equal to like one empty object I'm creating. So D3, or else simply here like you can use empty object dot from keys method of iterable comma value equal to some default none value there. It is creating a new dictionary object with the keys from iterable and values set to a value. Okay. See here, from keys method is there. So here some iterables. Iterables means list format, okay, or tuple format or something we can use, and value something 0 I'm using. Okay. So now here this is the parenthesis. Parenthesis, not square bracket. Okay. Now here D2 you can print, D2 you can print. So you can see here. From this iterable, each value is like a key. Each value is like a key creating, and this default value, this is a value. For every key, this is a like a default value adding. Okay. Like one empty object, one default object creating with this from keys method using given iterable object. These all iterable elements as a keys of dictionary with some default value. Okay, by default, if not giving this value, then none object is going to be creating. If you want, you can see here, I'm not giving here. So then next, none creating. Okay, after that, using the keys, we can update the values as per our requirement. Okay, so like we can do it. So it's not much more useful. Okay, so remember, today I will upload this dictionary concept. So topic related syntax points. Okay, first focus on dictionary concepts related theoretical points. Remember. Okay, so and then examples based on the methods you can focus it. And tomorrow some more examples I will explain practical purpose. Some more examples I will explain. And in the tomorrow chapter only, dictionary comprehend, not dictionary, data types comprehensions there, Python comprehensions there. There we are using dictionary set list, okay, tuples all we are using. So with examples wise we will discuss. So here a lot of things there, check it each one related. Okay, and today I will upload this set related also here nearly 30 question and answers. So I given everyone is like a program related only based on the question how we are writing. So check it this one. So dictionary related some more points. So we will complete. We will continue the tomorrow session. Okay. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you for this day. See you tomorrow.
Recording stopped.
Yes, guys. Any doubt?
Yes, sir.
That
Hello.
that p-value space is present. What is that meaning? For example, 1 colon space 10 you are given. So why you are given as a like space?
Sorry. Come again.
Yeah, in that 1 column 0 comma is there. So space is given. Why if space is given? Is there any criteria? Yes.
Here the space.
In that value space is there. Why you are given space?
No, not required any space. Just like that is considering like this understand purpose only. No. Krishna? Yeah.
Yeah,
Krishna, go.
list is mutable. So how we can prove that it's a mutable? Because I have created one list and I have assigned to another variable, and I have added one more variable, and I am trying to check the ID. Both is giving me a different ID.
Mutable means
Mutable means like if we are doing any change, then
once
it
creating
would-
one memory with some value. In that, if we are able to do any changes, that is a mutable. So are you able to do changes or not? Check it. That's it. So list like these values there 10, 20, 30. Right now, len of list is 3. So this length cannot be changeable if it is immutable. This length can be changeable means this is a mutable. So lst dot first of all you can check it ID. LST, this is ID. Now LST dot append of 40. I added a 40 element. So now length, if I'm checking what is coming, 4 coming. Previously 3 is there, now 4 is there. And the ID you can check it, ID is same only there. So this is mutable.
Okay, sir. Yeah.
Okay, within the same
So-
memory only you do the changes.
So both are IDs are same, then it is mutable.
Right? Tuple interview questions.
What is tuple? Okay.
Tuple interview questions.
If the IDs are both are
I mean,
same,
somewhere I created that I didn't find the last session that file. Okay, again I require to create. You know,
Okay, sir.
I mean, tuple related. I created a file somewhere that missing file. So that's why yesterday not uploading. Okay, I will plan that. No problem.
in that situation, if IDs are both are same, then it is called as mutable, right?
After changing also same ID only there mutable.
Yes, sir. After changing.
సార్ సార్ ఇది లిస్ట్ లో డిస్ప్లే చేసేటప్పుడు మీరు లిస్ట్ సెట్ అని చెప్పి స్క్వేర్ బ్రాకెట్ ఓపెన్ చేసి పెట్టారు కదా సార్, అలా ఎందుకు ఇవ్వాలి సార్ అది?
లిస్ట్
డి డాట్ అని చెప్పి స్క్వేర్ బ్రాకెట్ అదే లిస్ట్ స్క్వేర్ బ్రాకెట్ ఓపెన్ చేసి డిస్ప్లే చేశారు సార్ స్టార్టింగ్ లో. అలాగా అంటే మామూలు ఇంతకుముందు మనం అలా డిస్ప్లే చేయలేదు సార్.
Sorry, I'm not getting.
డి డాట్ అని చెప్పి స్క్వేర్ బ్రాకెట్
Okay,
ఇచ్చి మనం డిస్ప్లే చేసాం సార్ మనం.
now you can tell me okay, that is a different format from keys method behavior. You're asking about
Yes,
it?
yes. In the from case method, you are using that. That is the syntax actually. You
Yes,
have
yes.
to follow.
ఓకే
Yes.
ఓకే సార్.
So if without this getting problem, you can check it. That is. Somebody is asking about the how many modules completing so far.
Sir, one more question I have also actually.
So once
My
completing this
question is
comprehension,
how to
5
access.
modules.
Excuse me.
Yes, yes.
Actually, we are using the values by using the keys, right?
Yeah.
And you have mentioned keys also with the list. So we are mentioned we can use that list for the keys also. So how to access the key?
A list we cannot use as a key
You already mentioned, na,
of
if it is
dictionary.
mutable, we can use, right?
No. Mutables we cannot use. That is a given point. As a key of dictionary object, all immutable objects are allowed.
Sorry. Immutable. Immutable means we can make the changes, right?
No, immutable means we cannot changes. We cannot do changes. Properly check it. Immutable means fixed objects, numbers, strings, tuples are called immutable. Those are not changeable.
Correct. So we don't need to access them because we may
List
not.
to set to dictionaries mutable. Okay.
So we don't need to access them because we don't need to. We are unable to change it, right? So no need of access, like that, right?
Any other?
Sir, can you explain the get function, get method, please?
Yes, sir, sure. Here, if it is our object, so D1 of means dictionary of key we can use for getting value. Dictionary object of key. If that key is available, it's value getting. If key is not available, getting error. Okay. So this is the exception. So to overcoming this problem, we are going to use get method. So dictionary object dot get of key we can use. If this key is available, it's value accessing, same like this. Okay, accessing and return. So here also same output we are getting, here also same output we are getting. And now here if key is not available, exception coming. But in this place, if the key is not available, no exception. No exception coming. Okay. It means internally, defaultly here, none value is there. Defaultly here, internally, none value is there. Right. So here the none value is there. So if the key is available, it's value returning. If key is not available, this none value returning.
Okay, got it. Thank you.
Yes, that is the point.
Hello, sir. By using clear method and delete keyword, we are deleting all the values from the dictionary. So does the memory still available there by using clear method, or memory is getting deleted?
Yeah, using the clear method, memory
Yes,
will be
available.
there.
Already
Using the
we tested
delete method,
also.
no memory will be there.
See here, D1 contains these all. Okay. So in ID of D1, this is the memory. So now here D1 dot clear of clear method I'm using. So deleting all the values. And if returns like this means the memory is available in the memory allocation. Still memory is available. Okay. So del keyword, if I'm using particular key we can use and it's a key value we can delete. Entire object if we want, we can use like this. So del D1. Then in this memory, so this memory, I mean in Python memory, D1 related memory is there, that is permanently deleting. After deleting, if I'm printing D1, what we are getting? What is output now?
Name value error.
Yes, good. That is a name error. Name error. Name D1 is not defined. Okay, that is the point. Okay, here the right. So Jamil Ahmad, yes. So far 5 modules completed. You asked this question number of times. So already I given answer. Five modules up to this current concept. And in the portal also I given the roadmap. Okay, so you can go through that one. The people who are attending the regular sessions, those people will understanding. So this module 1 over, module 2 over, module 3. Right now we are discussing here. Dictionary topic today we discussed this one. Okay. So comprehension topic also, they're already packing and data packing, unpacking we discussed. So here this comprehensions in the tomorrow session we are going to discussing, and control statements also over. You know? Okay, these modules, 4 modules. 1, 2, there is a third one, variables and data types related, and control statements. So after
Sir,
tomorrow,
module 4 working with enumerate and format functions, this will be completed or
no. This is generally
Why?
functions related. Here I will discuss.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, this point.
Okay,
Go
sir.
ahead.
Okay, sir. That will be completed on the module 5.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. So module 5 and module 6, and later we are going to discuss. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sir, in company, like how the project structure look like, and we have to write the code within the package. So that all we are going to cover, right?
Yes, sir. In the module 5, that
Okay, sir.
is only the packages, modules, functions.
Yeah, sure.
Okay. So here today, dictionary concatenation, dictionary repetition, dictionary packing, unpacking, I didn't explain that point. Already previous all data types we discussed. So today you can check it. Dictionary, this is the 1 column 10. Okay, 1 key plus another key, 2 column 20. So if both are possible, that is concatenation supporting. If throwing like this error, concatenation not supporting in dictionary, like you can get understanding. And now here 1 column 20 into 3 times I want multiplication also not possible. I mean, so with the key only one time only there, 3 times we are expecting 1 column 10, 1 column 10, 1 column 10 like that. That's why no multiplication. These all are the one word answers. Okay.
Does dictionary follows sequencing order?
Which module?
A
Which one you are
dictionary.
asking?
Dictionary. Follow sequencing order.
Sequencing order. You can consider like dictionary is not having any indexing. So dictionary not following the ordering. Okay, dictionary not following the ordering. So in the latest versions, so based on the keys, ordering following. Based on the keys, ordering following. So whatever the key we are giving first, the same key storing in the memory allocation first. So when we are merging multiple dictionaries, okay, so some dictionaries, I mean, in one dictionary, some key values there. So one more dictionary value related key and values we are merging here. So here already keys available, only values updating. So if key values not available in this, which are coming from this dictionary too, so that is end position adding. So that's why we can say like dictionaries follows the ordering using the keys. You know, some people here the different key values there means ending adding. If already existing key is there means already in that existing key related value updating. That's why not supporting the ordering like some people thinking. So you can say like in interviews, dictionaries following the key based indexing and keys order storing, like you can tell it.
So we cannot do slicing then in that case, right?
Yes, we are slicing, indexing, these things not there. So keys only we can use as indexing. Okay, no slicing. Correct?
So duplicate application not allowed in dictionary. I am right?
Duplicate application?
Not allowed in dictionary.
Duplicate application means duplicate keys not
Key It's,
allowed.
as
Yes, sir. Duplicate keys not allowed, duplicate values allowed.
allowed.
Okay. And one more point here, today I will here, all the data types related. If you want to get more clarification, go down here. In your running notes, whenever you have the free time, you can make it like this. Okay. So far we discussed these data types: into, float, bool, complex, string, tuple, list, set, Trojan set, dictionary. And coming to dictionary, again the dictionary keys and dictionary values there. Okay. So each one related behavior and what are mutables, what are immutables. Dictionary keys are immutable. That's why here yes I given. Dictionary keys here mutable related, no I given. Dictionary values, mutables and immutables all allowed. Okay, that's why both yes I given. So these all you can check it. And again coming to here, fundamental collection like we discussed at the starting days. Okay, so here these all are fundamental related, mutable or immutable related I given. S means immutable. Okay, here no mutable. And here the collection related tuple, list to set to dictionary. When coming to dictionary related, dictionary keys, dictionary values there. When coming to set, the set related Trojan set is there. So all mutable, immutable related, and these all data types allowed duplicates are not given here. Okay, insertion order follows are not given here. Indexing order follows are not given here. Okay, check it. And so far we discussed these all topics. So do the revision. In mutable related these points. In immutable related, this all we discussed. Trojan set also immutable related. Dictionary keys are immutable types only. Dictionary values are mutable or immutable. Fundamental means these all. Collection means these all. Final conclusion I given here. These points only from last 1 week onwards we are discussing. And again here I given tabular format. So mutable, immutable, duplicates, insertion order, empty objects, how to creating, indexing following or not, slicing following or not, packing, unpacking, concatenation, multiplication, membership related, all the data types related are given here. Yes or no related are given. Okay, check it is all. And these methods important for interview purpose. Difference between remove and pop method in the list concept there. Remove and discard method in the set there. Pop and pop item today only we discussed the dictionary. Okay, append method and extend method looks like same, small differentiation there. Index and insert method later, and index and find method related important in the string concept, and the reversed function and reversed methods related there. Okay, so not only these methods, so many we discussed. Check it these all things. In this dictionary only, these all tabular structure is there. So multiple times, whenever you have the free time, if you are trying to write like this, then you will remembering all the data types. Okay. So previously your senior batch session for my full stack batch regular session.
Sir, is this uploaded in portal?
So in class only one time in the notepad, I given here every point like tabular format. In every batch, I'm teaching like this. So instead of teaching like that, if you're adding in the material, so people will follow like whenever they have the free time, like I added here. I hope definitely you will get some benefits by seeing this one. Okay.
Sir, where do we majorly use the list or set or tuple or dictionary type? Can you explain?
Where we are using, you're asking?
Yes, sir. In project, whenever we need any kind of storing data, that time, whenever we use different data types.
These all are depending on the situations. Generally, in the database table, I have an employee table. One employee table having columns, employee number, employee name, salary, like some columns there. Each one is like one column. This is the table. So here employee number 10, employee name Ramu, employee salary 10,000, and the next 20, So Ravi, 20,000 like that. Okay. So key value format there, key value format, employee number 10, employee name Ramu, salary 10,000. Next, employee number 20, name Ravi, salary 20,000 like that. So this is the database format data, database format data. So this data using the SQL query or in our Django ORM queries there, object relational mapping queries there. So we are sending the request to this database table, we are getting the data. So this data we are converting into Python type. So here all the records we are getting means record 1, record 2, 2 records. Okay, for example, 10 records there means group of records, nothing but list format. Getting list of so object 1, comma, again object 1 like we are getting. Okay, so list of objects we are calling, where each object is like a Python dictionary type, contains a key column, E number 10, E name Ramu, salary 10,000. That is one object. Next, in the second object also, E number 20, E name Ravi, salary 20,000 like we are getting. Okay, this is the dictionary format related. So this data we can write a for loop. This is the list of objects there. Now for loop we can write in our Python. So because of the for loop, each object getting outside. Now in each object, based on the key, we can access the value, and those values we can display in our presentation, in our browser. Understanding? So
Yes,
here
sir.
list we are using, dictionary we are using. So like depending on the situations coming. So there's I mean in the Django regular we are using like list of objects, list of dictionaries we are using. And next sometimes this data okay available in our database, our application related database. Somebody, for example, from Java, they are sending the request to get this data. Okay, they want this data in their application. So here this database data we are getting and putting into somewhere. That data we are converting into our Python dictionary type, our Python dictionary type. Next, our Python dictionary type we are converting into JSON type. JSON is there. So JSON also having key value format, JSON type. So here if list of objects there, then in the JSON array of objects we are calling, array means square bracket like a Python list, array of objects format converting. Now these array of objects converting into Java format in the Java map data type like something there. So they are converting into their map data type. So like one type to another type, whenever converting, these all types you will understand.
Okay, sir.
Okay, and right now string is there. So employee name Ramu. Ramu is what? String type. Salary 10,000. This is what? Number type or float type. All mixing together coming. Okay.
Sir, JSON was used for intermediate purpose to move data from Python to Java.
Yeah, not Python to Java. Our database data we are getting and we are converting into our dictionary type. As a Django developer or Python developer, we can use this dictionary data. And this dictionary format data, whatever we have, that is if we want to send to another people like who are using Java, who are using .NET like that. So our dictionary type data directly if we are sending to Java application, that is not understanding. That's why our dictionary type data we are converting into JSON, that is our responsibility. So later, the people who want to use our data, which is available in JSON, so that JSON data, they are converting into their own language format.
Yes, JSON can be converted to
So,
.NET also.
yes. So our Django data, nothing but dictionary data, if we are converting into JSON, then JSON type data, they are converting into their .NET type or their Java type.
Okay.
That's their responsibility.
Got it, sir. Thank you.
Okay. So because of 1 hour session, little 2-3 sessions delayed, guys. Actually, I thought like this fourth module completing, and today or yesterday. Functions are actually I plan to start. It's still pending. No problem. Tomorrow I will complete data types. Tomorrow I will complete data types, and later the module 5 functions we will start. Functions are very, very important. So when we are attending interview also, write a function to find the given number is a palindrome or not. Write a function to find the given number is even number or not, like asking. Every time, most of the time, they're expecting to write a function like that. Okay. So first of all, functions, how to creating, how it is accepting the inputs, how returning outputs, all we need to discuss. Okay. So thank you guys. Thank you for this day. See you tomorrow. Have a nice day.
Have a nice day, sir.
Thank you, sir.